Hello everyone. This time in this opportunity we will learn about Linux terminal. This is a basic Linux terminal tutorial. If you already expert about Linux terminal, you can skip my tutorial. Today I use Fedora 33, the newest release of the Fedora. And before we start, we need to know what is terminal and is there any terminal in Linux, how many terminal in Linux, and etc. And you can browse it. Open your browser and just type. For example, I type popular Linux shell. Okay, this is the result. I click this one. In this website we can see that there are 5 Linux shell. I mean the popular. There are bash shell, tcsh shell, ksh shell, zsh shell, and fish shell. You can read by yourself what are they, and before we go further, maybe some of you have question like, I use macOS, what kind of terminal, what kind of shell that I use? Okay, because I'm not a Mac user, I will browse it. I will click this one. You can read it by yourself. And we can see here that starting with macOS Catalina, Macs will now use CSH as the default login shell and interactive shell across the operating system. So if you use macOS, the shell is ZSH. Today I use Linux, so the first thing to do just to know what shell that I use. Click the activities menu on the top left and type terminal. Okay, if you want to know what kind of shell that you use, just type echo $0. Okay, in Fedora, in this tutorial I use bash. So if you use another shell, I think the command will be different. So as long as you use bash, you can follow this tutorial. Okay. Before we start, the first thing to know is about this part. Why? Because from here you can know what kind of privilege that you use and what kind of host name and what username that you use, etc. And I will tell you this part, tell you about what username that you are using. In this case, I use Gunawan as my username. After that, you can see this part, localhost. This is a computer hostname, and this part tell you about where are you now. I mean, what directory that you are in. And this part tell you about what privilege that you are using now. Are you an ordinary user or are you a super administrator? You can see the difference in here. Okay, maybe in another distro this part will be different, but it doesn't matter because as long as you are using bash shell, you can still use this tutorial. First of all, we will check again what username that we are using. The command is who am I. You can see that I use user Gunawan to log in to this system, and this one hostname, if we want to check, type host name. This is my host name, and about this part, the part that tell us where are we can type pwd. Okay, so this symbol tell us that we are in our home folder. I mean that I use Gunawan to log in, so when I see this symbol, I am on my own folder, on my home folder. Okay, we will test that if we go to another folder, is it changed or not. Okay, we will check, yeah. cd root. Okay, you can see that we are now in root folder. If we change to Gunawan home, or maybe we can go to the home folder. Okay, you can see here. If we go to Gunawan and for example downloads folder, this part will be changed. I think it's enough for now. We already learned about this part. and some command like OMI, hostname, pwd, and cd, and we will continue next time with another video. Okay, thank you for watching.